need a website to sell products on Instagram? It surely helps, but that's not the only way you can sell products using Instagram. Here is what you can do instead. The first thing you can try doing is pick another selling platform where you sell your products, or maybe a different way to sell your products other than on a website. That can be you simply asking people to message you when they're interested in a product, then you send it to them, they pay for it, and they own the product. But you need a way in which you will showcase details about a product that will get people interested in your product, and you will give them enough details to want to buy your product. A few options you can choose are an Etsy shop, print-on-demand shop. You can ask people to shop by messaging, or you can choose any other selling online platform that maybe gets a commission for every sale you make, but you don't pay for building an actual website. Now, let's say you've listed your product, but how do you actually get traffic and sales to those products? The first thing is you need to pick your products wisely. Make sure that there is a demand for them and in the niche that you pick. You must pick one niche because you cannot sell everything to everyone. So to make sure that there is a demand for your products, for the desired product you want to create, make sure to do your research. You can do that on Google, social media, and see if people are searching for the product that you want to build. Then make sure that your product has all the qualities that people are searching for. And before launching your product and selling it on your online selling platform, make sure you take high quality product photos and videos of your product. Really quick now, you can go to my website to find the best Instagram templates and products for your business, as well as an online course all about building a brand and selling more products with Instagram. You can also check out my Instagram management services and product marketing and sign up below for a free Instagram audit. Now moving on, you need optimized products. So every product listing that you have, whether that's on Etsy or your website or anywhere else, you need an SEO title and description. So what that means is you take what people type in the search bar when searching for a product such as yours, and you take those keywords and you add them to your product's listing title and description. Then what you need is content. You need a lot of content and really good quality content, but most importantly, content that speaks about your brand and about your products. To actually get people to be interested in your products, in your brand, and actually become a dedicated customer and not just shop once, enjoy the product maybe, but never come back to buy again, you must tell a story with your brand. Your brand must stand for something, and you need to express that on your website or selling platform. Who you are, what niche your brand is a part of, what types of products you have, and what are the qualities that differentiate your products from your competitors. So you need to make sure that they care in the first place. And this is where we talk about demand again. Then you need to make sure that you have a brand, a logo, colors, fonts, graphics, and a brand voice. You need to have a niche, so you cannot sell everything to everyone. And you need to be an expert at something to develop a product that is really good. You must have nice packaging and really good customer service. And you must target your ideal customers and your audience with optimized captions, hashtags, reels, and much more. To be able to do that, you'll need an optimized account for business on your Instagram page. And once you do all of this and you do them really well and consistently, that is when you will start generating real traffic and sales from Instagram to your product selling business. If you're not sure how to do that and you really need help from a professional, you can check out my services below, and again, you can get a free Instagram audit today. And if you want to try making this on your own, figure out what your brand is about, what your products are about, how to start marketing on Instagram, you can download my free Instagram guide and planner below. It contains 36 pages that will help you in this direction. So yes, you can sell products on Instagram without having a website, but you need to make sure you do all the other things that I mentioned. Again, if you need help with anything, you know where to find me. My website and socials are down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.